Hey, welcome back. This is Liza from the Shamkin Silver Studios, and I'm just showing the continuation of this cigarette box repair. So I filled the inside with medium green pitch, and that's the pitch that I make. And here's the outside of the box. We're going to have to re-chase some of those finer details that got buffed off and rounded out over the years. And I was going to mount it on my pitch bowl, but I decided that would be really difficult because I can't take the two parts. I can't separate the two parts because I'd never get the hinge back together. So what I'm going to do is I put double side tape on this bench anvil, and once this pitch is cool and solid, I'm going to just double side tape, so I'm just going to stick that down and chase right over this bench block, so it gives clearance for my the other half of the box, and you know that thing's round, so I can kind of turn it while I'm working, and I'll take some pictures of progress. Thanks for watching.